This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. We have an awesome lineup for season 4 this year, and we wanted to tell you a little bit about each of the cake designs that we'll be featuring. So before we talk about all the fun cake projects we've got coming up for this year, we just wanted to tell you a little more about our school, especially for those of you who are new. So your membership not only includes the fun content that we're putting out this year, but it also includes access to our Foundations Vault, which includes recipes like our buttercream frosting and a bunch of tutorials to help you get started on your cake decorating journey. You also get access to all of our past year's content, so that's all the classes and all of our live classes as well. So let's check out this year's lineup. First up is our bow cake. We're going to be using rice paper in an untraditional way to craft a bow rather than just crafting the same old generic sails. So we'll take you through it step by step and show you how to do a little bit more with an easy to use medium and create a beautiful, clear looking bow that just stands out on those cakes in a lovely monochromatic color palette. For our cherry blossom cake, we're going to use a palette knife to create delicate little blossoms, so it's an easy introduction into using a palette knife if you've never done so before. And we're going to use brush embroidery to create the branches. It's a festive and beautiful look that's perfect for Lunar New Year or any spring occasion. Our Lambeth cake is using bold color combos and layered techniques to create a vibrant and festive design. They're simple, easy to accomplish techniques that are layered up to create a complex effect, so it looks much harder to do than it actually is. And we'll take you through step by step and show you how to use colors to make nice contrasting designs that really pop out and add a lively touch to any table. We've got a lovely horizontal textured wedding cake in this year's lineup as well. It's a classic 2-tier textured wedding cake. It's a simple stacked design that features a lovely horizontal texture that will go with just about any occasion. It can also easily be dressed up or down by adding things like toppers, fresh flowers, or even buttercream flowers. We've included one of our lovely piped flower cakes, and we chose some unusual flowers to put in it. We're doing some La Reina style roses and some foxglove blossoms along with piped ferns for an elegant and traditional feeling arrangement. We've got a book cake, so it's a really simple to accomplish carved cake. If you've never done a carved cake before, this is a nice place to start. And book cakes are a wonderful option if you're looking to do things like graduation parties or celebrate the literature lover in your life. They can easily be customized by changing up the colors and sizes and putting on lots of personal details. They're a fun way to start working on carved cakes. We've got a comic book inspired cake design as well. We're going to use pastel colors and frame them with bold, heavy black outlines for that lovely look that gives you a nice anime feeling. We've got it finished off with an adorable face and some cute little strawberry toppers. Our Hexagon Cake is going to help you learn how to start carving cakes, but also how to ice geometric shapes with buttercream and get smooth, crisp lines. We're also introducing using some things like gold leafing, and we're finishing it up with some gold gum paste lines for a lovely geometric design that's a stunner for just about any occasion. Our cat cake design is just a funny, cute little carved cake. It's a simple little kitty design that'll work for birthdays, for the young and the old. For anyone who loves an adorable cat or just little anime characters, this is a simple one to accomplish, and it's a great little carved cake. We've got a trio of mini cakes this year for October to help you celebrate Halloween. A cute little ghost with some simple details to finish it off. Some piped lines will help you create a fun and festive little pumpkin. And we've also got a witch that features a wonderful piped little buttercream hat. It's a great festive way to make treats for the little ones in your life or just anyone who wants a little something sweet to celebrate Halloween. We've got a naked cake on this year's lineup as well. We're doing a nice crisp, clean finish on a semi-naked cake that can be a little bit difficult to accomplish, but is actually quite easy if you've got just a few tricks that we'll show you. We'll allow you to hide that cake board that never looks that great and get a nice, clean line and great show through. We've also included a recipe for a salted caramel drip that's the perfect topping and a great way to finish any cake for fall. And finally, we've got a lovely vase of roses. This one is simple to carve and easy to put on some finishing details. We've done some nice scroll work in blue to give our vase a traditional look, and we've used our excess cake from carving to craft some adorable little cake pops that we finished off with modeling chocolate to look like roses. It's a stunner and it looks difficult, but it's actually pretty simple to accomplish. Each of our cake projects feature in-depth videos for step-by-step instruction. We also have supplemental materials like information sheets and templates to help you practice and also to help you craft your perfect cake creations. For more information about our yearly membership and what it includes, visit our site at www.cakedecoratingschool.com. And as always, happy decorating!